Good day, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the objective types of tests, which are the multiple choice and identifications, their basic guidelines or principles in constructing tests. Multiple choice test is a form of assessment in which students are asked to select the correct or best answer out of the choices. There are three parts of multiple choice. First, the STEM, which asks the questions, possess problems, or represent an incomplete sentence. Second is the correct answers. Third and four alternative responses, which are incorrect, called distractors. The basic guidelines in constructing multiple choice. First, make a practical test. Second, use diagram or drawing when asking questions about applications, analysis, or evaluations. Third, when asked to interpret or evaluate quotations, present the actual quotation so that your students can read and understand it properly. List of choices vertically, not horizontally, so your students can read the choices easily to understand. Fifth, use one correct answer. Only should be one correct answer. Six, use 3 to 5 options. Seventh, be sure to use effective distractors. 8. Increase similarity of the options. 9. Do not use none of the above when asking for the best answer. 10. Avoid using all of the above options. Guidelines in constructing the STEM. The STEM should be written in question form or completion form because that is your questions. Second, do not leave blank at the beginning or at the middle of the STEM in completion form because it is not filled in the blank form. Third, it must be clear and concise. Fourth, in a positive form, avoid using negative words. If you do, underline or capitalize. Highlight, underline, or capitalize the word not in your instructions on item. Students tend to overlook the word not and they'll get the items incorrect. To avoid, not should be underlined, capitalized, and written in a bold letters. Fifth, STEM is grammatically correct. Guidelines in constructing options. First, one correct or best answer only. Second, a list of options are vertical. It should be written in a vertical form. Third, avoid creating pattern. Fourth, options must be homogeneous in content. Fifth, as much as possible, options must be in the same length. If your alternatives are words or up to the sentence, the alternative should be arranged according to the length from shortest to longest. For example, what mother duck feel that the last egg she hatched was indeed a duck? A. It could swim. B. It was big and ugly. C. It took a long time to hatch. Notice how I write the options. It is written from shortest to longest. Avoid the phrase all of the above, none of the above, or I don't know. Guidelines in constructing distractors. The distractor should be plausible. Second, it should be equally popular with the rest of the options. For example, who is the national hero of the Philippines? They are asking for a national hero. So my choices are also all heroes. A. Andres Bonifacio. B. Apolinario Mabini. C. Dr. Jose Rizal. D. Emilio Aguinaldo. Examples. What is the capital of the Philippines? A. Cavite City. B. Cebu City. C. Davao City. D. Manila City. Second, what is the largest continent in the world by area? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. North America. If your alternatives are all one-word choices, it should be arranged alphabetically. And therefore, these choices are arranged according to alphabetical order. Look at the examples. The question form is our stem, and the four choices are what we call the alternatives. The four alternatives, we only have one answer. So the correct alternative is called the answer, and the other alternative is called distractors. So for example, number 1, what is the capital of the Philippines? The correct answer is Manila City. Letter A, Cavite City, B, Cebu City, C, Davao City are all distractors. Next is identification. Identification is a form of completion test which is defined, described, explained, or indicated by a picture, diagram, or a concrete object, and the term referred to it supplied by the pupil or student. How to construct the identification test? First, the definition, descriptions, or explanations of the term may be given by the means of phrase or incomplete statement. Second, the statement should be phrased and that there is only one response. For example, number 1, it is the star at the center of the solar system. Our answer is the sun. Second, a celestial body moving in elliptical orbit around a star. Yes, the answer is planets. So that is for today. I hope you find this video useful and helpful. This has been Aldit Maquinto of BEd 3A. Bye!